Yo, it's good. Got a quick recap today. Um, yeah, I don't know, I was late, bro. This video is like one of the best things I've ever seen in my life, bro. Beautiful. But anyways, um, so there was news today at 8 a.m. So I was looking for something before 7 if I was to find something. So on GBP JPY 4-hour was bearish coming into market open because we did not inverse this cap and we were bearish like closing below this low. So on the 30-minute, right, we had London highs, London lows, and then Asian highs and Asian lows. 4-hour fair value gap with the equal highs here as well as a 4-hour high up here. So a market open, ideally was trying to see if London highs would come up here, but then it was like psych, we're not gonna go there, and then it got edged, and then we ended up coming up, but this was like at 7:30, so this was before any news, and we broke structure down here, so nothing really to enter off of. We ended up coming back into it, taking out these highs, and then having a slight reaction, but we just continued on higher. So yeah, that's nothing to see on here. And then Euro USD 4-hour was bearish as well. Closure below this low. On the 30-minute, we had London highs, London lows, which I was playing off of primarily. So I want to see London highs get taken out. We were making some progress, but it was like psych, and then we got up there, and then it was like psych, and then just kept on going. So it was like didn't really find anything to enter off of. GBP USD 4-hour was bearish, similar to Euro USD. We had this 4-hour fair value gap that we could have came into and then have a slight reaction off of, as well as I'm pretty sure there was equilibrium. Maybe I'm not sure, but yeah, we were bearish. So wanted to see London highs, London lows. So I want to see London highs get taken out, tap into this was it fair value gap, as well as we had this I think it was a 1-hour high. I think no, not even. I think it was just a high that like looked pretty equal with this, but I don't know, it wasn't really anything. But yeah, we didn't end up getting even close to it, and we took out the London low even before we got up there. So yeah, nothing really to see. So what are some emotions I felt? I felt holy shit, I was chopped in that. But some emotions I felt were like I was having feelings of like wanting to break my plan. I wanted to be like bro, do I really need to follow my plan and not take a trade after 7? But I didn't end up breaking my plan. I followed my plan, but it's just like, bro, I was getting so bored and I just wanted to take a trade, because the reason I wanted to take a trade was because I wanted to make progress on my funded account, because I took 2 L's this week, down 1.5%, and I wanted to like reduce that burden on me, because I didn't want to accept that losing week. So because I didn't want to accept that losing week, I wanted to take a trade, and the reason I didn't want to have that losing week was because I didn't accept the risk of each trade, I guess, maybe. And I just didn't want to be wrong, and I didn't want to be wrong because I didn't want to admit that I made a mistake. And why did I not want to admit that I made a mistake? It's because what was that? Didn't want to admit that I made like a mistake or like lost, because I have like I shouldn't be viewing it like I made a mistake, because I followed my plan. So that's one mistake I'm making, and then like the other mistake I'm making is like but I don't even know what I'm saying, bro. Like the mistake is just like I shouldn't be viewing mistakes as something that degrade me, because mistakes are what help us grow, and I should be having some self-acceptance and allowing myself to learn and not be scared of making the mistake that I'm making from the mistake. You know what I'm saying? Mistake. But I'm gonna probably redo this tomorrow because I look chopped as fuck.